Hello, I'm Amar Rao and I'm an associate professor in BML Munjal University. And today I would like to share my research findings on the interconnections between green energy markets and conventional energy markets. As detailed in my paper, Do Green Energy Markets Catch Cold When Conventional Energy Markets Freeze, published in Energy Economics. See, as the world transitioning towards renewable energy sources, understanding the association between green energy markets and conventional energy markets become increasingly important. So we were motivated by the need to examine whether the volatility and shocks in traditional energy markets such as oil and gas spill over into the green energy sectors, potentially destabilizing it. Our research employed advanced econometric analysis using the VAR model and the GARCH models, and because these models allow us to capture the dynamic relationship and volatility spillovers between conventional and green energy markets. And the results of our analysis were telling. We found that the green energy markets are indeed very sensitive to the shock in the conventional energy markets. When there is a significant drop in oil prices, for instance, we observed a correlated decline in green energy stock prices. One explanation for this relationship is investor sentiments, because in times of uncertainty, investors may move away from perceived riskier assets such as those in the nascent green energy sectors and seek refuge in a more traditional markets such as crude and oil. Moreover, the study highlighted that the magnitude of these spillover effects varies depending on the market conditions and the type of shock. So these findings have important implications for investors, policymakers, and energy sector stakeholders. See, for investors, understanding these linkages is crucial for risk management and portfolio diversification strategies. For policymakers, which is quite important because as we are moving towards a cleaner future, the research underscores the need to create a more resilient green energy sector that can withstand the shocks originating from the conventional energy markets. This might involve policies that promote greater investment in renewable energy infrastructure, enhance market stability, and support innovation in financial products related to green energy. When making strategic decisions from the stakeholder side, we need to keep in mind that shocks can be managed carefully to ensure the long-term viability of these green energy products. In conclusion, while green energy markets are growing rapidly and gaining independence, they are not yet immune to the influences of traditional conventional energy markets. As the global energy landscape continues to evolve, understanding and managing these interdependencies will be key to ensuring a smooth transition to a more sustainable energy future. Thank you.